I'm Roger Miller from Miller's Twist. People ask me all the time, you live in Lancaster, why do you drive an hour and a half, 2 hours to Philly? And it's just the busyness, the merchants, the camaraderie between each merchant. It's definitely a history of that ingredients from Lancaster County and bringing it down into Philly and sharing that with everybody here. We get all of our sausages from Haldeman Meats. Keep the same quality that we have, even though we were so much busier. We have a mustard. It's actually a mustard that my wife and my sister-in-law make. It's called Betsy Lance mustard. So much fun just getting to know families, and I've been here 20 years. It's just awesome to keep that relationship with everybody.